How to clear temporary files in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, it's really simple to clear your temporary files through your settings itself. Let's dive right in. You will need to head over to settings first and then go to system on the left hand side. And from there, you need to go to storage. So once you tap on storage, you'll be able to see temporary files right there. Just tap on it. You will see all of the temporary files. You can just click on the files that you want to delete. And then once you have ticked on them, just tap on remove files and it will be cleared. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.